the middle. Keep an eye on this guy here. Making sure you don't charge the side of the car. These guys are fighting. Ay, ay, ay.
No, you can't get this anywhere.
No way.
Two young bulls, eh?
Yeah.
See how big they are.
They're big, aren't they? Even though they're young.
Yeah, they're very young. These are about 4 years old.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Brilliant.
So this is the camping site you're talking about.
Ah, okay.
I'll stop you over there.
Yeah. That must be like a watering hole like that.
Yeah, there's a watering hole over there. But they're just gonna spoil it because people have built houses, in there,
okay.
and then within another 10 years, it won't be the same.
Yes, yes, yes.
Are you getting everything?
Yes.
I just stop.